Okay, so today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect any desktop computer, any desktop PC to your TV without Wi-Fi. It's going to be awesome, and just to prove it to you, I'm going to disable all the Wi-Fi settings on my computer, and then we'll do it. Let's just dive right into it. Okay, so to make this work, we're going to be using a wireless HDMI kit. This is basically a HDMI cable, but it's wireless. Basically, we'll be using these two. One will go into your TV. This is basically a wireless HDMI cable. One will go into your TV and the other one will go into your PC or your graphics card. In this case, I'll show you. Right behind me is my PC, so let's just dive right into it. Okay, so first up is the connection with the computer. Now we need to plug this into your computer. Now I have a graphics card right there. So let me just plug this into your graphics card. Now to power this thing up, we'll be using a USB cable as well. We're gonna plug these both into the PC and automatically give power to our adapter or the transmitter. In this case, let me just plug this in. There you go. All right, there you go. Now we need to plug these both in. Actually, wait. Yeah. Okay. So we need to plug these both into your computer. Now this will go into your graphics card, and this will go into any USB. Basically, we're just giving it power from the computer, so it will look something like this. See? So it will look something like this. So let's just do this. Okay, so we have the graphics card right there. So I'm just gonna do is just plug this thing right into the graphics card. So let's do this. Okay, there you go. Once you plug this in, this will do something like that. Okay, now to power this thing up, we'll just plug this USB right into the computer. So let me do that. Okay, so we're set on the computer. Now what we need to do is basically install this into our TV, which is right above it. Right there. See, we need to install this into the TV, so let's do this. And also we'll be taking power from the TV as well, so yeah, pretty simple. Okay, so both of these, the transmitter and the receiver, are both in the computer. Now we don't need to do anything on the computer or on the TV. Also, all the links will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Okay, so once everything is installed, what you need to do is to go into the sources option on your TV. Once you go into the sources, you will have options, right, like HDMI cable. If you have multiple, it will show you multiple. In this case, we just have one. Just click on that, and as you can see, we're connected. Now, just to prove it to you that we're connected using that wireless transmitter, what I'm gonna do is to disconnect, and I'll show you how it's done, okay? I'm just gonna disconnect the cables, okay? Once I disconnect, we'll automatically disconnect it from the TV. So let's just give it a couple seconds. There you go. As you can see, this will be the screen if you don't do it properly, okay? We just disconnected the power from the computer, obviously, and it automatically disconnected. Now, what I'm gonna do is just plug the USB back in, and you will see that what I'm talking about. So let's just do that. USB cable right there. I'm just gonna plug this in right there. I've plugged in the USB cable, okay? I've plugged in the USB cable. Just wait a couple seconds and it will automatically connect to your PC. So there you go. Took about 5 to 15 seconds and we're back to connection. As you can see, we're connected and it's actually working as a dual screen monitor. To change that, you can just press Windows and P option on your keyboard and it will automatically change. There you go. You can just click on duplicate. Once you click on duplicate, whatever you see on your computer will be displayed onto your TV. So it's pretty awesome. Let me just close this, and you can see it. Pretty awesome, right? Well, that's it for the video. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.